Imagine having a BMW G-Series in front of you with a fully locked BDC3 encrypted key, especially the Mexico variant, and every technician around says it cannot be cloned. Now imagine doing it safely, legally, and cleanly using just one original key in a single device. That is exactly what we are breaking down today. And trust me, if you work with modern BMWs, this knowledge can change how you handle key jobs forever. Hey everyone, this is Hussein, and you are watching Baabji Motors, your trusted hub for real-world automobile diagnostics, programming, and advanced key solutions. Before we go deeper, if you enjoy practical content that actually works in a workshop, take a second to hit like and subscribe so you never miss these advanced tutorials. Now let's get into it. Today we are talking about how to copy a BMW BDC3 encrypted key, including Mexico region keys, using the Keydiy KD-X4. This method is not guesswork, not server hacking, and not risky OBD experimentation. It is an official supported process based on reading original key data directly. And yes, it works on BMW G-Series vehicles equipped with BDC3. Quick but important disclaimer before we continue. This video is strictly for educational and informational purposes. Everything shared here is meant to guide professional technicians, learners, and enthusiasts. Always follow manufacturer guidelines and local laws when working on vehicles. All trademarks belong to their respective owners. Here is a key question for you, and think carefully before answering in the comments. If BDC3 keys are encrypted and locked, how is it still possible to generate a spare key without touching the car's Immobilizer system at all? Stay till the end, because the answer is more interesting than most people expect. Now let's talk about the big update. Keydiy has officially added support for BMW G-Series BDC3 encrypted key cloning through the original key data reading method. This means you are not adding a key through the vehicle. Instead, you're cloning by securely extracting data from the original working key itself. This is a huge step forward for Baabji Motors viewers who deal with high-security BMW platforms. To perform this job correctly, the tools matter a lot. You will need a Keydiy KD-X4 or KD Max device. You must have the original BMW BDC3 encrypted smart key. For the new key, you can use either a new original BMW BDC3 key or a Keydiy KD-FGB compatible remote, commonly used for BMW G-Series. You will also need the dedicated wiring harness designed for encrypted key data reading, the same type used for VAG5C and 5D encrypted keys. And finally, your Keydiy device must have the G function license activated. One critical requirement many people miss is firmware. Your KD-X4 must be running firmware version 1.52 or newer. Without this version, the encrypted BMW key reading and writing function will not appear at all. Updating the firmware is straightforward. From the Keydiy application home screen, go to Update, select Update Keydiy Device, check the latest available version, and complete the firmware update. Firmware version 1.52 officially adds the function to read and write encrypted BMW keys, including BDC3. Now let's walk through the actual process step by step, exactly how it is done in the workshop. On the KD-X4, go to Remote Function, then Smart Key Clone, then select BMW BDC3 or BCP Smart Key Clone. From there, choose G-Chassis and BDC3 Clone. This menu is only visible once the firmware and license requirements are met. Next comes the most sensitive part of the job. You must solder the dedicated wires to the original BMW key according to the official wiring diagram. Precision matters here. Clean solder joints, correct points, and stable connections are critical. Once the original key is properly soldered, connect the wiring harness to the KD-X4 main unit. Now click Read. The device will read the original key data directly from the encrypted chip. If everything is connected correctly, the read will complete successfully. Once the data is read, save the file immediately. This file is the foundation of the cloned key. After saving the data, you are ready to generate the new key. Before generating, disconnect and remove the wiring harness from the KD-X4. This step is important to avoid interference during wireless generation. Place the KD-FGB remote printed circuit board onto the KD-X4 coil area. Make sure it is positioned correctly. Now start the wireless generation process. Select Generate KD-FGB Remote and let the device complete the process. Within moments, the new remote is generated successfully. Once generation is complete, you can install the generated key into an original factory BMW key shell for a clean, professional finish. At this stage, the clone key is fully functional. There is one critical safety rule you must remember. Never use both the original and the clone key together in the vehicle at the same time. Always keep them separate. Using both keys simultaneously can cause synchronization issues and unexpected behavior in the system. Here is that promised lighter moment. Modern BMW keys are so secure now that sometimes it feels like they need their own passport, background check, and security clearance just to start the car. Now let's answer the big question from earlier. How is this possible if BDC3 keys are encrypted? The answer is simple but powerful. You're not breaking the encryption or bypassing the vehicle. You are securely copying authorized data directly from an already authenticated original key. That is why this method is stable, supported, and safe when done correctly. From my personal viewpoint, this is one of the most important advancements in key programming for BMW technicians. It reduces risk, avoids vehicle immobilizer access, and gives workshops a reliable way to offer spare key solutions for high-security platforms. At Baabji Motors, we always focus on methods that are practical, professional, and workshop-approved, and this checks all the boxes. Here is a useful tip before we wrap up. Always label and store the original key data file securely. If a customer ever needs another spare in the future, that saved data can save you hours of work. If this video helped you understand BMW BDC3 encrypted key cloning, I want to hear your thoughts in the comments. Share your experience, your challenges, or even the BMW models you see most often in your workshop. Don't forget, all the tools used in this video, including the Keydiy KD-X4, remotes, and wiring harness, are linked in the description with our affiliate tags. Using those links supports Baabji Motors at no extra cost to you and helps us keep bringing advanced content like this. If you truly value this channel, consider joining the channel membership as well. Your support directly fuels more in-depth guides and real diagnostic knowledge. Now let's set the challenge. If this content was valuable, push this video to 10,000 likes and drop 1,000 comments to hype it up and help it reach more technicians worldwide. Subscribe if you haven't already, because a lot more advanced key and diagnostic content is on the way. Thanks for watching till the very end. Keep learning, keep upgrading your skills, and as always, happy diagnosing with Baabji Motors.